Winter's magic is here. Create stunning layouts with the Flurry of Fun collection by Creative Memories. These beautiful double-sided papers are perfect for capturing snowy scenes. Add a touch of winter wonder with these adorable stickers and borders. Warm up your photos with 2 sizes of double-sided mats. Don't forget these 4 specialty embellishment packs: ice fishing, snowstorm, sledding, snowmobiling, all with 9 embellishments each. This stunning album cover is the perfect backdrop for your winter memories, and the decorative Fastifab pages make it easy to create beautiful layouts for your winter memories. Want something smaller? This 8x8 paper album is perfect for showcasing your snowy escapades. We've got all the tools you need to create stunning winter layouts. This Mittens and Flurries Border Maker cartridge and Snow Pails Border Punch will add the perfect finishing touch to your projects in a breeze. Create your winter wonderland today with Flurry of Fun by Creative Memories.